Unacademy. Let's crack it.
Hi guys, this is Keshav Malpani and I have a really exciting news for all of you, and I want all of you to be a part of it as well. So I'm going to interview on this Sunday, which is 23rd January 2022 at 11:30 a.m. in the morning. I'm going to interview Dr. Faizan Mustafa. I think all of you must have heard about Dr. Faizan Mustafa, one of the most known face, at least in the legal fraternity, a senior constitutional law officer who has been conferred with many prestigious awards as well. In 2014, he was conferred with the SARC's Best Law Teacher Award as well. Presently, he is serving as the Vice Chancellor of Nalsar Hyderabad, which is NLU Hyderabad. So we are going to be discussing a lot of things with Professor Mustafa about law as a career, about generally policy making, about his life from where he started and how has he come to be known as one of the most prominent faces in legal fraternity in India. Okay, so it is going to be very important for everybody who has some affiliation to law or who wants to understand anything about it or about public policy as well. I'm going to pose certain very important questions on it, and the best part is that this interview is open for all. All you have to do is, this interview will be telecasted live on the Unacademy app. You have to download the app. I have given the link for the interview in the description of this video. तो आप उस लिंक को यूज कर सकते हो, और उस लिंक को यूज करने के लिए यू विल नीड अ फ्री कोड. ठीक है, उसके लिए उसको फ्री में एक्सेस करने के लिए आपको एक कोड की जरूरत पड़ेगी, एंड दैट कोड इज केशव लाइव और मालपानी. इसमें से आप कोई भी एक कोड यूज कर सकते हो, इधर केशव लाइव और मालपानी. And we are going to make sure that this interview is going to help you quite a lot in kind of understanding as to what these NLUs are. What does this mean? In fact, I think you would know that Dr. Faizan was also the first chairman of the consortium of national law universities. So we are going to ask him a lot of questions about national law universities as well, and how these universities have kind of changed the course of legal education in India. What are the opportunities that are available to people who are say not from national universities also. तो हम definitely ये सब discuss करेंगे. We are going to discuss certain questions about judicial exams as well, and a certain national level exams like UPSC and all of that. वो सब definitely discuss होगा with him because he has taken keen interest in these subjects, particularly constitutional law, for quite some time in the country. I think you would know him with his very famous YouTube channel called the Legal Awareness web series by Dr. Faizan Mustafa. So I'll see you all on 23rd January at 11:30 a.m. in the morning. Refer the link given in the description to attend it for free. Thank you so much guys. See you there.